Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to melt silica gel. While silica gel is commonly known for absorbing moisture, melting it is a highly specialized process. It's not something you typically do at home, as it demands extreme temperatures and specific equipment. We'll explore the conditions required and the transformation it undergoes, turning from a granular desiccant into a molten, glass-like material. Understanding this process is key to appreciating its unique properties. Melting silica gel demands incredibly high temperatures, typically around 3,100 degrees Fahrenheit or about 1,700 degrees Celsius. This isn't achievable with standard home equipment. You'll need industrial-grade furnaces, perhaps even an arc welder, to generate such intense heat. Furthermore, specialized crucibles, often made from materials like graphite or platinum, are necessary to contain the molten silica safely. Safety is paramount, requiring full heat-resistant personal protective equipment. Once you have the right equipment, the process begins by carefully placing the silica gel into your specialized crucible. Then, you'll gradually raise the furnace temperature, ensuring it reaches and sustains above 3,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It's crucial to maintain this extreme heat until the silica gel completely transforms into a clear, viscous liquid. After it's fully molten, you can carefully pour it into a heat-resistant mold if you're shaping it, always prioritizing safety. Safety cannot be overstated when working with such extreme temperatures. Always wear comprehensive personal protective equipment, including a full heat-resistant suit, gloves, and eye protection. Ensure your workspace has excellent ventilation to prevent inhaling any potential fumes. This process should only be attempted in a controlled, industrial setting by trained professionals. Molten silica finds applications in creating high-purity glass, like that used in fiber optics, and other specialized materials requiring extreme heat resistance.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.